Hi guys, Daniel here, and as you can see they have these new Superlative packs. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I really just want to open them. So I was just been collecting money and I'm going to open 4, I believe. I have enough for 3. Oh! Oh, starting off strong! Oh my god, this is not even an update team. New fullback. Oh my god, yes! Yes! I don't know if these can guarantee elites, but that was sweet. Best tops. I just pulled that guy. Best personality. Oh my god, I wish I could open all 4 of them. Okay, let's keep going. Come on, give me another elite. Best dressed. I don't know what that would be. Come on. Okay, dang. Let's go see what these sets are, because I'm guessing they're in sets. Am I right about that? Green seasonal. There it is. Best trophy bag. What about this? What can I get in this? Okay, well, there's 6. And also there's a live event out for it. I'll show you guys. So, let's go see that guy I just got, and I bet you he's going for a lot. We gotta find him real quick. Brian Jones. Was he in 88, I believe? And he was a cornerback. There isn't even one out. That's, yeah. I'm putting him up for $1 million. Okay, well, he's up for $1 million. I got all this stuff. Okay, well, I hope you like and subscribe for that sick pull already. It's like really in the morning. It just came out. It just showed me the update and everything. Actually, I'm gonna do more packs for you guys. I have some packs. Just a few quick sell packs. Maybe I can get enough for another one. Oh my god, I did. Yay, we get to open the final one. Woo! And we got some more packs here. If I could get 25k, that'd be sick. No, okay. Well, now I gotta go sell those so that I can actually get enough. Whoopsies. Store. Yep, get a buy ball. Okay, come on, let's pull another elite. Darn it. Best hands, best protector. So, if you guys are doing these, tell me what you get out of them. And I have 15k still, so I'll buy 2 just pro packs for you guys. I want this bundle. That's cool. I wonder if you could get superlative stuff out of this. Final one. Okay, well, like and subscribe for that poll. See you next time, guys.